Hello, everyone. Welcome to Mr. and Mrs. Gold's YouTube channel, M&Mg. I'm Mrs. Gold and
Gold than original. No gold than me.
Mr. Gold. Would like to say, first of all, happy birthday to Bob Marley. Happy birthday, Bob Marley, and happy Black History Month. Since we do live in Canada, I am sharing just a periodic table of Canadian Black history. I definitely encourage that you all look up important Black individuals in your own country or various people around the world that have made important leadways throughout history, and you'll be surprised how many of them are inventors of your everyday products. As well as happy Reggae Month.
Big up Bob Marley, the king of reggae music. Big request, enough respect. Bob Marley, king of reggae music. Bob Marley.
So I don't think people realize how.
Now you're dead, you know.
Oh.
Your music still Korean, your message still there.
Yeah. So I don't think people realize how influential Bob Marley was. Like, Bob Marley was heard around the world during the times he was hot on the charts. Like, Mr. Gold here is from Saint Vincent, and it's mostly known for soca music. And how influential, because it's Reggae Month as well, how influential was reggae and Bob Marley to someone in Saint Vincent?
Reggae music, Ronnie Wall. That make my country are really soca music. Carnival done Tuesday night 10 o'clock. Tomorrow you can play no more soca, a reggae and dub. So, you know, a reggae music cause peace.
That's true. You're saying, Mr. Gold?
Reggae music is life, you know. And Bob Marley sees enough war, you know. If Bob Marley been alive, nothing will happen right now could not happen because more Rasta being go depend out. If you them go chat out more conscious, more positive, you know. And if you them go seek and most high God more, you know. So enough respect to Bob Marley for short space of time he come pan out and teach we what go on through music, you know. Yeah, Bob Marley music keep enough people positive up to today.
Yep, you know? yep, for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, I would just like to add to that too, because I think if Bob Marley was still alive, or, you know, more of his music was in the streets, because he's made more new music, that a lot of the youth, the children that are growing up, would have more positive, influential music to listen to that's not going to make them do so much crime, and it could help reduce a lot of crime, you know? Because I know when I listen to positive reggae like Bob Marley and Garnet Silk, especially Garnet Silk, I used to want to pick up a Bible and read something positive, you know? So music is influential, and, you know, we have to big up Bob Marley because he helped a lot of people.
Life, you know?
Yeah. Reggae music is a powerful thing. All music is a powerful thing.
If not music, we might have done that already. Who knows?
It's true. yeah, you have some people who are like going through hard times. They probably want to commit suicide, going through a bad breakup, and music saves them a lot.
Now Bob Marley really want sending message to you all. You know, make yours man like Peter Tosh, Bunny Wailer, Jacob Killamilla, Big Youth, Bonnie Spade, U-Roy. You know, them man do them time too.
Yep.
You know, Josie Whale, Tiger, all the man then do them time. Right now, watch. Alkaline, maybe.
Yeah.
And you run things right now.
For sure. Alkaline. Never lose hope. Look it up, whoever doesn't know Alkaline. Look him up. You listen to Never Lose Hope. And you see there is also Chronix, right?
Conscience, Chronix, Coffee. Then you there doing it. Then you there nice. Then you there hard. You know? But I want to listen to some hardcore reggae music. You know, I mean, if Alkaline could give me one. I need one.
Alkaline's possible doing anything. I would love to see Alkaline put a whole reggae album out. That would be crazy.
Sell off.
Trust me.
Sell off.
So.
Sell like hot bread.
What? So, you know, this video is basically just to celebrate.
Big up Marcus Garvey.
Oh, and who was the first Rastafarian again? Leonard Howell. I remembered. Woo.
Respect Leonard Howell.
My husband taught me that the other day.
First
Yes, we were
from
watching
Jamaica.
a video.
Marcus Garvey friend. Selassie friend. Respect.
Yes.
And them man they
led the way.
Yeah. Respect to everybody. All black people per out. Enough respect. Enough respect. Me love you all.
Yes.
Me love you way too, no?
Yeah, we love all colors, all nations, but we have to celebrate our people. True. Especially during this time. We have the shortest month of the year to celebrate us. So, you know, this video is especially for our people and for people to learn about our people as well, you know? And, you know, we all have a mix of bloods of different nationality within us. Mr. Gold, he has his Portuguese and whatever in him.
Yeah.
And white.
Yeah.
And then I have my grandmother's an Indian, Jamaican Indian, and we have Chinese in my family as well. So we know our bloods are mixed, but at the end of the day, our outside of our skin is black, and that's who we are and how society sees us.
Hello, Mama Africa.
Before we go, that I would like you to share a memory of Bob Marley. And what's your favorite Bob Marley song?
One Love. That's my favorite Bob Marley song. One Love. And the next one, the next Bob Marley song, Who Shot the Sheriff? Me shot the sheriff, but me not kill the deputy.
Okay. And do you have a memory that's related with Bob Marley or something you remember when Bob Marley is playing when you were a little kid?
Bob Marley, me love to see Bob Marley juggle ball.
Okay.
And play guitar. You know, and sing reggae music.
So you like watching his videos when he was doing those things?
Yesterday, I watch on radio.
Yeah, he was.
The whole week, I watch Bob Marley.
Yep, he was.
Yeah.
Let me share my memory. I actually remember when I was young, being in High Park here in Toronto, and Bob Marley playing in the park. Now, that was crazy. He actually lived in Canada for a few years or months. I can't remember exactly, but people don't know. Yeah, and a lot of artists actually have lived here. But that's a memory. I remember being a kid and hearing the music and remember things going on. And then my favorite song is I Don't Want to Wait in Vain and Three Little Birds. That I would say is my favorite songs.
Three little birds.
So I think that's it for this video. It's just a short video for us to celebrate and big up this special month. And we thank you all for watching. And we have new viewers from India. So big up India. Yeah. So big up India. Wow. Second was Canada, and third was the US. So Indian. Thank you very much. Yeah, we love it. We love it. So
Indian never big up.
Yes. So thank you very much for your support. We definitely appreciate it. Any last words for you for the month of February, Mr. Gold?
Enough respect to all black people. Love or no. Keep and trouble.
Yes, that's very important.
Less crime. we need for 2021.
Yeah.
And I keep still. Vincent Shan, you volcano down the serious. I go on my knees and pray to God.
Actually, talk about that, Mr. Gold. You know, right now you guys have some serious thing going on in Saint Vincent. Well, for those who don't know,
you have a volcano in my country, a suffering. Big. Like 3 miles long.
You got that big already?
3 miles.
It was small before, just the other day.
Wide. I tell you, long and wide. When you stop at the end side here and look over there, me over there, and my wife over this side, me watch my wife like a ants.
That's how far away and big it is.
And he have a big hole, me tell you. And he have a rock inside there go.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna insert a picture right about here.
When I was home, the rock been big like, say like a mountain. You have a mountain over my village where I live, named Kingshill Mountain.
I guess what mountain?
Kingshill Mountain. Okay. Iraq big like, and you have a next one I go inside it. Me not know about the next one. Me I sit on YouTube and see.
Okay.
And that they like here go more bigger than it.
The original volcano.
The one was inside it.
Wow.
So, me tell the nation, you know, now go up there. I stay for nothing, you know.
Yeah, because people are going there and taking pictures for Instagram and YouTube, and it's ridiculous.
The government know what they do. Yeah, 79, maybe small when suffer Europe. Me hear my grandmother tell me about the one, 71. Me not know about that one day. Me can't have been born yet. But 79, me was a youth, but me could remember certain thing. You know. And now, different to long time. Yeah, the people them have to listen. Listen. And I go up there. Yeah. Some of my people them who live in the country who born there, they never even go up there to see the danger where they live underneath. You know? A place me so like 2 times a month, 3 times a month, sometimes 4 times a month. Me no area is good. Me even sleep up there already.
What?
You know. Me even sleep right up on the bongo man already. You know. Coming from the valley with me bag of sensi. Chat over suffering.
This is all the time.
I mean, I want them catch me. So what? Me have to sleep. Me have to wake up. Yes, I. So they don't know, you know. One love. You know. Read the Bible, pray to God. And one love.
And you need to finish that song another day.
You know? Me don't know election come and gone. And I keep no hate amongst nobody. I love one another. Treat one another good. I pray to God. You know. The hurricane go cease. Till I pray. Log it on cease. And Corona.
It's gonna stop.
That disease there. Oh my God, I tell you about Corona. No. When I go in the bus, put an eye mask. Any shop, put an eye mask. And I forget to put an eye mask, man.
Anywhere you are.
Anywhere I put.
And don't let pride overtake that, because a lot of people have too much pride and they don't want to wear it.
Our government does Saint Vincent, when Vincent and people, everybody must put an eye mask for 6 months or 3 months straight. And I go see no better.
Yeah. And Jamaica too. Please
3 months straight.
Ease off on the
everybody
partying.
In the country, wear your mask for 90 days.
And everybody in Jamaica, please.
6 months.
Also, please.
And I go see if you go better. Sorry, babes.
And Jamaica too. Like, you know, everybody needs to stop acting like there's no coronavirus or COVID-19. Please wear masks, cut out the partying. We want you guys to survive.
How then go act so when coronavirus kill out people like sardine?
It's killing people like sardine, but to some people, they live in corners and in places where they feel like everything is good, or they think, oh, my neighborhood is good. You know, they don't realize that people could be infected and not show symptoms because they could be asymptomatic. So please, just be safe.
If they not care about their life, other people care about their life, so I stick to people's life.
Oh, it's not even that. It's not about, if they don't care about their life, they still could pass it on, and one person can kill 100 people.
Yes,
so that's, you know,
why people care, other people care for their life.
So even if you don't care, we care.
Yes. Try to save the people them life, okay?
Yeah.
You know, for God's sake, I wear a mask.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know me forgot.
What, baby?
Babes,
What?
today at Dennis Brown birthday.
Oh, shoot. Happy birthday, Dennis Brown.
Big up to a black man birthday, Dennis Emmanuel Brown.
Yes.
Respect every time.
Any memory for him?
Enough lovers rock, enough reggae music.
Yes, enough parties for me.
You know. You want me to sing a song for Dennis Brown?
Go ahead.
Yeah. One song for Dennis Brown what me really love.
What's that?
Well, Dennis Brown have lots of songs I love on her, but love and hate could never be friends for Dennis Brown. What the biggest song in the world for Dennis Brown?
I thought you're gonna sing it.
Love and hate can never be friends. That's all I'm to give. Look it up.
Mr. Gold's pictures. We're gonna wrap up this video right now, and we'll see you guys very soon. We're just here dealing with some stuff, so we'll definitely see you soon. Take care, stay blessed, and thank you for watching Mr. and Mrs. Gold's YouTube channel. Subscribe, hit the notification bell to be updated with new videos, share, and like. Thanks.